Hi, I'm Steve Heaton. I'm subject lead for hospitality and catering here at Stoke-on-Trent College. So I look after all elements of the hospitality, the students' enrolment, students coming in, getting them through the qualifications and exams, getting them into work experience, getting them out then into industry, hopefully, after they've completed 2, maybe 3 years with us. You're never out of work as a chef. There is always something out there. I think coming to the college gives them the foundation skills, it gives them time to learn their skills, to learn their trade, to be nurtured, to help them along the way in the studies, rather than be straight out to industry, getting them ready for what they need to do for the next level. Staffordshire is such a big, diverse county to provide opportunities for employment. You get out what you put into this industry, and I think it's such a rewarding industry, and I advise any youngster, come and give it a go.